Hi and welcome back. Let's ask users for input in this programming exercise. The first thing to do is ask the user for their name using the input method, and then we're going to print out hello name, where name has to be the user's input. We've looked at how to request input. We can just say something like name is the user's input. Enter your name. So this function here, this method is going to ask the user to enter their name, and then it's going to record the input and it's going to save it in the name variable. And then we're going to print out hello name, where the name is going to be the format function is going to be called there to replace the curly braces by the user's name. Let's check it. And there we have it. So we've got our name variable, which is the user's input, and then we're printing a greeting for them. So that's everything for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.